We've all been talking about this topic called email marketing. If you have been paying attention to Tom and at the last couple of elite retreats and in the Success Summit, Tom has said that email marketing is a high priority and it's one of the most successful conversion tools that we have in the world of online marketing. Now, the problem that I see with real estate agents, all you realtor friends of mine, is you've never really studied, direct response marketing. You've never really studied conversion marketing. It's always kind of been this top of mind marketing. And so therefore you're kind of in this like email marketing, like what is the, and then all of you just kind of go out and you seek, well, what email marketing should I do? And then you hire kind of stupid companies like Outbound Engine and really stupid companies like Happy Grasshopper and all of your companies, Remax, Coldwell Banker, Berkshire Hathaway, Keller Williams, you name it. All of our companies provide us these stupid, bland, general emails that we can send to our community because we want to stay top of mind. That whole concept is a train wreck, a waste of time, and doesn't work. So can we put all that crap over here? And let's talk about what Tom was talking about, which is really direct response marketing. And it's also content marketing. Content marketing is you as the expert sharing your knowledge and expertise with your community via the channel called email. And so there's a balance between content marketing, sending high quality expert content to your community, sharing important insights, sharing important how to do things, sharing what you're seeing in the marketplace that's important for people to pay attention, sharing updates on what's going on with the housing market, you sharing your knowledge and expertise, content marketing via email, and then of course, having a call to action, direct response marketing, making an offer. Hey guys, if this is important to you, then do this thing with me here in the email. Call to action, make an offer. If you'd like to do this thing with me because you see this trend, you see this opportunity, you see this challenge out there in the marketplace, click this link or reply here and let's set up a time for us to go over that or to take advantage of this thing or for me to solve this thing for you. Direct response marketing, okay? Content marketing, share, share, share. Direct response marketing, here, come do this thing with me. If you want to do this, come do this with me. If you'd like to buy something like this, do this with me. Direct response marketing. So that is what we need to focus on. And I want to reflect on one of the more brilliant quotes from Tom Ferry that I'd like all of you guys to literally put up somewhere in your office and look at it every day and reflect on it every day. And the quote was, "The purpose of marketing is to book appointments." The purpose of marketing is to book appointments. That's the purpose of this thing, okay? Now, content marketing, which is also kind of in the same vein as brand marketing. So what people don't realize is people are so confused by this brand marketing. What's brand marketing? What's the purpose of brand marketing? I want everybody to recognize me. I want everybody to feel compelled to call me. You're confusing the issue, okay? Branding is designed to increase the conversion rate of your direct response marketing. Branding, you as an awesome human being, You as someone who is an authority, you as someone who shares your wisdom, you as someone who demonstrates that you have successfully helped many people do this thing. You as someone who really cares about your community. You as someone who is up to great things. Your brand. That increases the conversion rate of your direct response marketing. Hey, if you want to take advantage of this thing, do this with me here. Book an appointment with me, direct response marketing. So branding is not, I need to get my face everywhere. Okay, that doesn't do anything for you. Just because your face is everywhere on the planet doesn't mean that you're going to get calls. And that's where the collapse and the mistakes are made here. There's content marketing, demonstrating that you know what to do, you know how to do it, that you are an expert, that you are an authority, that you have a successful track record, that many others have used you and they would recommend you, right? Content marketing. Branding is making sure that everybody remembers that you are this, because that's important, and making sure that when you share an offer with a call to action, right? You're a problem that you want to solve in the marketplace, and you say, do this with me here, that they go, oh yeah, I know her, that I clearly know that they know what they're doing. I have that problem. I'm interested in that opportunity. The time is right for us to do that thing. Click, I do the thing. See, this is kind of what we need to be working on in our email marketing. So that's the overarching, right? Let's take a look at some examples. And I'm going to show you two of some of the best marketers out there on the planet. One that you know, one you may not know. But I'm going to show you Tom Ferry's last email that he sent to me. And let's look at an email structure. Okay. Then I'm going to show you Neil Patel, one of the most respected digital marketers on the planet. And we're going to look at his email, and I'm going to show you my inbox of all of his emails. And you'll be able to see two examples of what high quality email marketing looks like. And this is super important. So I'm going to share my screen here and make sure that we can get that done and show you. Let's start here with Tom. Okay, so here is Tom's. This just came into my inbox 29 minutes ago. You can see that there. Great subject line, new script for how's the market, which if you, most of us, when we saw that email subject line, we'd go, oh yeah, I need to think about that. I need to look at that. I need to update that. So Tom is sharing a very useful tip that's relevant to all of us real estate agents. Some of us will want to learn more about this. Some of us will just appreciate that he did that for us. Some of us will just delete it because you don't need it. And that's perfectly okay. Now, with Tom's email, he's got a tiny little brand here. Hello, everybody. Tiny little. They've got a nice image at the top, right? And then now let's take a look at the content. It's very clear and specific. Hey, real estate script, my best response for how's the market. Hi, Patrick. For more than a decade. So 1 sentence, 2 sentence, 3, 4, 5, click the link, read more. This is super important. Okay, so the way that he structured the email is, hey, here's what I'm covering, this cool thing. If that's you, read a little bit more. If this is important, click the link and get into this topic deeper. That is the ideal structure of email marketing. Not here is my newsletter of all of it. Why is Tom not doing all of it? Because that's not what email marketing is designed to do. Okay, click the link, go to the website, learn more. Okay, now wait a minute. What's this cool stuff down here that Tom has? Box number 1 is, hey, if you haven't done the business plan, download it here. Hey, great way to start the new year. Do this cool event. Oh, a call to action? An offer? Ooh, that's cool. Okay. Hey, another one. Would you like to learn the $1 million strategy to win and close? Here's a free guide. Oh, that's cool. Wait a minute. What's this? New goal setting guide. The real estate agent's ultimate guide to doing homes. Oh, that's kind of neat. So wait, he's got a simple 4-line, hey, this is the topic I'm covering. Come read more here. And then he's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 different call to actions and offers and learn more and guides. That's kind of cool. I wonder if we could have the KCM, what's today? It's winter. It's February 11th. Oh, could we have the KCM Winter Sellers Guide right there at the bottom of our email? Oh, that's kind of neat. And the KCM Winter's Buyer Guide right below that. Oh, that'd be kind of cool. And if you had like a first-time home buyer guide right here, ooh. And then what if you had maybe down here book a real estate consultation appointment with Patrick here with a link to your calendar? But wait, where's the big fancy signature with the tagline and all the stupid stuff that all of you guys over obsess over? It ain't there. Okay, now let's go to the next example, and I'm going to show you one of the big questions that all of you have, which is, how often should I email people? Let's take a look. How often did Neil Patel email me in January? Let's see. Looks like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. 7 times? Wow. But why does Patrick actually like that? Because I love Neil's education. Neil shares incredibly interesting, relevant, important, educational content with me that I really like and I really much appreciate. So the fact that he sends me 7, I get excited when I see a Neil Patel email in my inbox because I know it's something that I probably should pay attention to. Do I pay attention to all of them? No. But do I appreciate that he is really making a strong attempt to educate me on an important topic called digital marketing? Yes, I do. Now, the number 1 blog writer in the world right now is a guy by the name of Seth Godin, one of the most famous marketer gurus on the planet today, one of the big marketing philosophers. Did you know that he writes 1 blog post a day, and that over 1 million people actually subscribe to his email where they get his blog post into their inbox every day? Why would they want an email from him every day? Why did 1 million people subscribe and he gets more subscribers every day? It's because people appreciate that he is putting his thoughts, mind, and his expertise to share important things to his community of people. And everybody appreciates what he shares. Do they read it every day? Of course not. but do they appreciate him and his content every day? Yes. So now, coming back to you, I know that's overwhelming to think about, but I just wanted you to understand the concept, because when you think about how often you send an email, if you're sending outbound stupid engine every week, yeah, it's probably not good. Okay. But if you were sending your personal insights, expertise, case studies, market housing insights, you were sharing what sellers were doing, what buyers were doing, what's going on with interest rates, what's happening with HELOCs, what investors should be thinking about, what you're learning in the business, sign me up. I would be 100% okay if you signed me up for that. But if you put me on your happy, stupid grasshopper email, I'm going to unsubscribe. If you just put me on your general, vague Sotheby's thing, unsubscribe, because I don't need that. I want to hear from you. What are you learning? What's important to you? What's going on in your market? That's what's interesting. That's what your community wants. And that's how you create good, successful email marketing. Last thing, let's take a look at the structure of Neil Patel's email. Wait a minute. Where's the branding? He has no branding? What? Where's the picture? He has no picture? This is the most successful digital marketer on the planet right now, in the top 5 in the world. He has probably 2,000 people on his staff. He has a budget for email marketing of millions of dollars per month. He has some of the best web designers on the planet, but he doesn't have any pictures, images, design, branding on his email? Wait, he didn't even acknowledge me in his email. There's no, hi, Patrick. He just says, hey, are you ready for this thing that's coming up? And it says, you have a few months, May, before Google does this thing. Hey, it's going to roll out, right? So if you have a large chunk of things and you need some help with that, if you need help, just click here and we can go over it and make sure that you're successful. Cheers, Neil Patel. Oh my gosh. 1, 2, 3, 4 sentences with a call to action. Wait a minute. I wonder how many appointments Neil Patel's team created with this email. Appointments, that those appointments led to new clients for his digital agency. What did Tom say? The purpose of marketing is to book appointments. I hope this was helpful.